Okay friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com, and in this video we're learning how to mark a message as unread. Okay, simply we know that we have messages and there is option for mark as read, and also the same page you can access the same method like press and hold a message, then this one mark as unread. So you can see here there is a new message, so it is not read. So you can see also it is showing one message there, and you can simply use these functions to mark messages are unread. So this is one of the useful method. You can simply open that message, then simply click here, then select that mark as unread. Also you can click here, then mark as read. There is two options is there. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.